Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning prerequisites so implementation is efficient. Ensure design tokens, grid, and breakpoints are defined. Next, pick the banner type, static, carousel, or timed call to action, because behavior dictates structure. Prepare assets now, SVG logos, a 1200 x 300 hero image, and accessible alt text. Once done, scaffold the banner container with semantic HTML and an area role for clarity. Make sure to wire the design tokens into CSS variables so spacing and color stay consistent across breakpoints. You now build the core. Create a container, content zone, and controls or CTA elements. This modular structure eases future tweaks. For styling, use CSS variables, flex or grid layouts, and responsive rules such as 1/2 width at tablet and 16:9 media scaling for imagery. Then implement behavior. JavaScript handles transitions, autoplay timing, and pause on hover to improve UX. Once functioning, decouple timing values into tokens so you can tweak speed without touching code. Test keyboard navigation and focus management for accessibility. You finish by optimizing and validating the banner. Lazy load images, compress assets, and set preconnect for critical domains so load time drops. Then verify accessibility, check focus order, area labels, and include a skip link or accessible close control. Next, run cross-browser and mobile tests, including slow network scenarios, and ensure analytics events fire for impressions and clicks. If animations stutter, reduce duration and hardware accelerate transforms. If images pop, add width/height attributes and reserve layout space to prevent reflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.